Yeah, now we're gonna. I think I got it started for a couple of seconds. Damn it. I can't. I'm gonna go check the engine. Oh yeah, the fucking fuel's off. He's gonna kick my ass if he sees me on this. How about I go to the shit like Blazer, huh? Why not? For the heck of it. Oh my god, did I just throw the camera? How do I get down from here? Oh my god. Sorry, camera. I'm gonna see what the Blazer has cooking now. Since the fucker's been sitting. The motor key still is in it, and it probably doesn't work anymore. I want to sit in it. He floored it too hard. She's not going to repair it. She's not. So, thing's going to sit. There's my mom's car. Want to go into my mom's car? Her old car? Yeah. Before she sold it when I was a kid. Yeah. Yeah, right? And before that, it was all the way back. 2008. You think the horn doesn't work. So my mom once was wondering what the thing did. See, snow. Thing's been messed with since I was a kid. So I know what the ins and outs of this car. It's the same kind, actually. The moment I want to stick my focus to say so. Or screw it. See that? Coming out on Dibuda. Yeah, what's Dibuda? I'm gonna go now. That's the truck. It's one that Jack put home. The one that Jack put them with the subwoofers. No, the one with the subwoofers now is an Aqua truck. There's my sweet little. Hey, Mittens. Do you think I should change your name to Snowball? I don't want to. My name's Mittens. Do you want your name to be Mittens? You want your name to be Mittens, right? She's going, no, leave me alone. She's purring. Flies are crazy. Yeah, she goes, I try and pet her. She goes, what the fuck? If your cat let you up, put it down in the comments. And if this is you, Michaela, seeing this, just note that my uncle has a big place, and I have 2 4-wheelers that I like to drive. I do. It's my cat.